What up, boys? What up? How's it going, everyone? So today I bought a few tools, got a new box from, you know where that's from, Harbor Freight. I know a lot of people like to knock it, but whatever. Really good box so far. I've had it for about a week. Haven't really practiced rolling it out in and out of the garage just so I can work on the car, but I mean, I feel like it'll really fit my needs. I want to go over some of the things I bought today. So kind of got a few, kind of splurged, got some things, and just kind of go over what I purchased today. Box, it's the roller cart that you've probably seen all over social media, TikTok, all those kind of video platforms that are cool little editings. But yeah, this is their new colorway, slate gray. The thing that kind of sucks right now at the moment, since I picked it up, is none of the accessories are released that are a color match for this. So I don't know why you would, I don't know. To me, it just makes sense. Like, okay, like, let's just release all this and have it ready and everyone can buy it. So the only things that come with from the box is you get this little handle and this little shelf or basket. So I'm gonna set up the camera right here, try to get like a shot of the box and everything. All right, what is up, boys? So I thought it'd be kind of cool to make a video of like my setup and stuff. Just got this new Harbor Freight box. I won't have the total, but I'll basically go over what today's haul was from Harbor Freight and what I got from there today. And my store's very limited on what they have. It's not that big. So let's just dive right in. I was setting up this new box. It's kind of freaking empty, so bear with me. So yeah, so please, I know a lot of people are gonna probably cringe, like, oh, why'd you get this, blah, blah, that, this, that, and whatnot. So let's just dive right in. I was trying to look for an alternative. I was comparing on Amazon prices for like the wheel socket, like Trio. Sometimes they come in like a pack of 5 and they have like fraction ones, but this one is 17, 19, and 21. It's just to protect the wheels and stuff like that. But again, Hondas, that's all I have. Mostly are 19. 21s are like Toyota, maybe Infiniti, and then I also have a 22 socket. That's what like the newer Toyotas use. But yeah, so first thing I got was these. I feel like these were just very necessity. I didn't have a deep 12 point or 6 point 19, so I was like, all right, let me just have options here. They have thinner sidewall and an anti-scratch sleeve, whatever, you know, at Craftsman. It's lifetime warranty. So that was another thing that kind of weighed on my decisions of what tool to get. Like, you know, what fit my needs and what I'm going to use it for. Again, you know, I'm not a professional by any means, but yeah, so Craftsman, lifetime warranty. These are pretty sick. I'm pretty hyped. I also got some, I've heard a lot of good news or good things about this Doyle brand and their channel locks. So picked up a set of these because I don't have any. Also, like on a, let's say another video, I'll be going over like how much I spent to get my box where it's at. This is probably like maybe what most of you guys are interested in, but I got all the receipts from when I purchased the box. I also picked up one of their Daytona jacks, which are freaking amazing for the price. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 receipts. So in another video, we'll calculate how much I spent with the exact setup and whatnot that I actually purchased, not with the tools I already have. So, all right, tool number 1, wheel sockets, important. Then I got some channel locks. Let's say if you don't have a brake compression tool or compressor tool for the piston, these are nice and handy, and they can open pretty wide. I got these micro flush cutters, again, for cutting like zip ties. If like something's loose, like a wiring harness, and you need to raise it up or get it out of the way, this will cut it flush, so there's not just like that whole dangle of the zip tie. I got these, some wobble extension sockets, 9-piece. Comes in a 1/4, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch. I feel like these are really good. They also have this, like, I don't know the term for this. It's like this little grip here, so you can turn it by hand. I also got some impact grade ones from them, 3/8, since I use my Makita a lot. I also got a 1/2 inch one, so once my mid torque comes in. Another thing I picked up that I knew I was gonna probably need it's not like I'm gonna use it all the time, but when I do need it, it's gonna be nice to have, is this impact tool set where you strike it with a hammer and it'll turn it left or right to tighten or loosen the, say example, the set screws on the rotors. Some cars have them, some don't, but I know a lot of the times those screws are either just mated to the threads inside that rotor. But another good thing to have, this was like 20 bucks, so I know it's gonna come in handy when I do need it and pay itself off. Next thing I picked up were some Icon professional deep sockets. They come with sizes 8 through 19, which I mean, it's gonna fit all my needs. And deep sockets are really nice, and they're 3/8 because that's mostly what I use. 1/2-inch stuff I'll use for like breaking subframe bolts loose, control arms, kind of those like heavy duty bolts, like where I feel like this is mostly like engine bay and a lot of stuff like that, but should come in handy. I also picked up some ratcheting wrenches by Icon. They were having a sale, and also I'm an Inside Track member, so it kind of helps and pays itself off. It goes from 10 mil to 19, so pretty stoked on that. I've been very fortunate to use a wide variety of tools, and it's shown its worth having ratcheting tools, and it's so nice. One thing I do wish they did have was the double box end, like where it'd be like 1719, 1819, both 0 offsets. Those are really nice. Like I've always found really good use, whether it be breaking like engine mounts like on Hondas that are against the like frame rails, or just kind of just being able to have that leverage, and it's 0 offset, sits super flush, and it's not like you have a ratchet in a deep socket and you're going to hit something. So I found really good worth in those, but these are the ratcheting ones. Plus it'll be also so nice to have some of these open wrenches. Let's see, what else did I get? I got a flex head 90-tooth 1/2-inch drive. This will be nice. I don't really have, again, like the biggest one I have, I don't even have a 1/2-inch. It'd be a breaker bar but I wanted something ratcheting, and that gave me length. This is 17 7/8 long. It's gonna be a nice length for just kind of getting where I need to go and break it loose, and again, leverage. If for some reason I need something even stronger, I have my breaker bar, which is 25 inches long, and I have my impact sockets and stuff like that. But I just felt like this was just necessary for me, and it was kind of weird. They had one of these, same thing, same length and everything, same Icon brand, just without the little like mesh or safety handle. But it was actually cheaper to get the one with the handle than the one that didn't have it. So I was like, all right, well, I'll just do that. Next thing I got was a 3/8 drive 90-tooth. So I was pretty stoked on this, because the one I currently have in here is, I don't know, I've been very spoiled by having that flex head, and oh my god, it's a game changer, especially like the feel. This is like an old Craftsman one I have, so it's like a fixed one. But I mean, I've had this for like 4 years. Had no issues, but I just wanted to kind of splurge and get something I know that like I'm gonna love to use. And they have some of these stuff set up like on hanging up, and you can feel the teeth and stuff, and I don't know, it just felt nice in hand. And again, I get it, it is a, you know, it's a copycat of Snap-on. I've used a Snap-on one that's exactly like this, and you know, it's more affordable for me. It's not like I'm gonna go on the Snap-on truck and just drop thousands. It's just like, okay, this is enough to get what I need to do all my maintenance on my car and help some friends out. But again, you know, this is just curated towards my needs and what I think I need. I'm not gonna go and just be like Snap-on, Matco, Snap-on. Like, one, I don't have that money. Two, I'm not in that field of work, so it's not like I'm gonna be using all that. Next is okay, yeah, I already got that. And I think final from what I got was just some Icon just impact grade sockets. I don't have any 1/2-inch impacts. I don't. This box is kind of bare bones, and it's kind of starting over. But these were like $59.99, and again, I'm really cool with the Harbor Freight by my place. So I asked them like, hey, if there's any issues I have, you know, like let's say I don't like them, or not even just if there's a defect, if I just certainly don't like them, they're like, hey man, you have a 90-day window to return it, which is super sick. So I'll, you know, see how they feel, see if I like them. If I don't, return them, get my money back. It's not really that bad, you know. But here's everything. So I got the Icon sockets, got the 1/2-inch flex head, Got the ratcheting wrenches. The wheel sockets, I feel like these are just, I don't know, man, they're just worth their money. Some extensions, just some random ones. Got myself the impact driver, the 3/8 flex head. Also got that, just a little insider joke between my bud. Some deeps, and yeah, it wasn't a lot, but I mean, I feel like it's just enough to get me going. Again, you can tell from my 1/2 inch, there's just like absolutely nothing. But fill that in with these. I got 14 of them, and they're all 1/2 inch. It'll be nice. I also have a Makita coming in, and that will be really nice. It's something I've wanted. It's a mid torque, so it's not the giant one after, which I don't know. I've been able to use one of those, but I feel like the mid torque's just gonna fit my needs. Like, I'm not gonna be, you know, cranking crank bolts loose or nothing. So I mean, would it be nice to have that one? Yes. You know, is it more expensive? Yes. But again, I'm just kind of going off my needs. I just have this basic little 3 amp 18 volt lithium ion one, but it's got this little driver. It's pretty beat up. It was given to me for free, so can't complain. I feel like I've been exposed to a lot of Makita, and they've never done me dirty, but I know a lot of people are diehard Milwaukee, and I've seen a lot of YouTube videos. There's just so much good stuff out there, and it's just, you know, at the end of the day, it just costs money. And for me, it's like, okay, am I going to use it every day? Am I going to get my money out of it? So it's just kind of how I went about doing this box. Again, I could have bought all Matco, Snap-on, but one, there's not a truck that ever comes around here, and I'm just mostly doing this out of my garage and stuff. But let's see. Like, again, I need to set up all the tools in there. It just had my little fab drawer, like my, I don't know, heavy duty, like OEM tools and wheel stud installer, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna start putting this stuff away. I'm gonna save all the boxes just in case, but then I'll show you how they look and stuff. What is up, boys? So, got the tools put away. Little preface. I'm not the best at organizing. All right, so this may look like an eyesore to you, but basically, this is the way I laid it out. I'm gonna try different, like, as time goes, I'm gonna try different layouts, what works best, what I do and don't like, and so on and so forth. So here it is. There's the top shelf. There's all the Icon 1/2 inch impacts. It skips 20, 23, 25, but I mean, it gives you a decent amount. These are just sockets I've had before. There's the Craftsman I showed, the wheel socket. There's the Icon 1/2 inch 90 tooth, the other Icon 3/8 90 tooth. This is what I mostly wanted to maybe ask for some help from some of the YouTube community. How do you guys organize this? Like, all the extensions, impact extensions, this, like, what do you guys use? Do you have like a little bin? What's up? If you guys have any organization tips or tricks, would appreciate in the comments, or even links to other videos or who to watch. I'm not the best at this. It's just kind of going in there, getting my feet wet, seeing what works. Again, I'm going to try this setup, and I'm like, oh, you know what, this sucks. I hate this here. I hate this here. It wastes so much time, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. This is the other pliers I bought. This is just stuff I've had. I still got to unload all the ones from that Craftsman and what's in this box. This one is just kind of like my, I don't want to say fab, but like, it's like all this metal stuff and like specialty tools, sockets for Honda control arms to protect the threads when doing the ball joints. My impact driver, my Blue Point soldering, you know, drill bits and stuff like that. Oil filter, little thing to remove it. My wheel stud installer, filer. Here's the Icon ratcheting wrenches. These are really nice. Hopefully the light from the garage is reflecting really hard on here, but hopefully it comes out nice in the video. I don't know. I like the leverage, and I like how they feel in hand, the ergonomics of it. We'll give a better update on once I start wrenching on some of these. The cool thing is, again, I made sure to ask the people at the front, if I don't like these by some reason, or for some reason I don't like them, same thing, can I return them? Like, even if they're not broken, so on and so forth. I kept the bag, or I kept the boxes to all these, like I said earlier. Plus, I have the receipts, and they have my phone number on file, so they'll know. And plus, it's the only Harbor Freight I go to, since it's in Anaheim. And yeah, I don't have anything yet. in the big drawer. Still have to figure this out. I just have this drawer, that one, and this one. And then this bottom one, it's kind of bare bones still. Still trying to figure out how I want to do it. Like this is going to be like my safety equipment. We got my ear muffs. Just PSA, boys, always protect your ears when doing any kind of bang-in or even going under the car and using an impact on an exhaust. That stuff leaves your ears ringing, boys. I want to be able to hear when I'm older, not yelling. Zip ties, a sledge, dead blow. That's really kind of it as of right now. And then here's also the other Icon 3/8 deep. It's kind of weird how this has like some fraying on it. It's already got chips and dents. Like if someone used this, I haven't even used any of these. But yeah, there's them. I just kind of have these little extensions here. I want to get the magnet strips here that people usually have. I need to get another light from Harbor Freight. Got my magnets, battery cleaner or terminal like brush thing. But yeah, that's kind of how it is set up. For those watching, maybe who have a better idea or how to be more effective, or any input, would appreciate. I just really want to clean up this area for my extensions. That's kind of the highlight of, I feel like, what I really want to tackle and get down, because I'm going to be using those a lot and they're going to be coming in and out. And yeah, obviously the wrenches are too, but they already have a spot. This is just kind of, this is just laziness and stuff like that. But yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm super stoked. And then I got my Makita coming in tomorrow. It's a mid-torque, which again, a lot of this whole theme here is fitting my budget, and also just what I'm going to use it for. But just want to end the video saying, you know, super hyped. I got into 237 subs, which is kind of nuts. Once I got over that hill of 100, it just kept going and going and going. So I'm going to try to keep putting out content. Got to get this thing ready. I keep saying that in every video. It just, bear with me, the heat's kicking in and so forth. It just needs to get the, what is it, the new washer I have. Okay, don't know where it went, but it's, oh, you know, it's in the Civic Si. But need to get that going. And once I get that done, it's just, I don't really want to pop the drain bolt loose, because that's the crush washer that needs to get replaced. And I don't really want to be fumbling fluid in my hand while I'm trying to swap a washer, you know what I'm saying? That freaking fluid is brand new. So, would be a shame. But, yeah, so thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'm out. Peace.